To turn on or turn off Google Jobs notification in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, select notifications, and then tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find job, and then tap job switch until blue to turn on Google Jobs notifications. Or if you want to turn off, tap job switch until black or until white. Or you can also tap job menu and then tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until black to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.